Did you accidentally enroll in a Coursera course that just isn't the right fit? Or maybe your schedule unexpectedly changed? Don't worry, getting a refund on Coursera is possible, and this video will break down the entire process in simple steps. First, let's talk eligibility generally. You're entitled to a full refund if you cancel your enrollment within 2 weeks of your payment date for courses, guided projects, specializations, or master track certificates for degrees. Refund policies vary, so check the specific program details. To request a refund, log into your Coursera account and navigate to the My Purchases page. You can usually find this by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner. Locate the course or subscription you want a refund for, and click on the 3 dots next to it. A drop-down menu should appear. Select Cancel Subscription. You'll then be prompted to confirm your cancellation and may be asked to provide a reason. It's helpful to be clear and concise in your explanation, but it's not mandatory. After confirming, you should receive an email confirming your cancellation and refund. Keep in mind that it can take several business days for the refund to appear in your account, depending on your payment method. Remember those deadlines. Mark your calendar, because missing the 2-week window almost always means no refund. If you're past the refund window, consider contacting Coursera support directly. While a refund isn't guaranteed, they may be able to offer alternative solutions like a course transfer. Good luck.